Strap in and hold on to your hats because OpenAI is about to take us on a thrill ride like no other. Forget roller coasters and amusement park attractions. This is the kind of excitement you can't find anywhere else. With groundbreaking advancements on the horizon, OpenAI is gearing up to unleash a wave of innovation that will leave you breathless and craving more. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to experience the ride of a lifetime, because the future of AI is about to get a whole lot wilder. This is NextGen AI Visions, where the future of humanity and technology meet. We are here to guide you through the wonders and weirdness of artificial intelligence. GPT-4, the reigning champion in OpenAI's lineup, has already demonstrated its prowess in handling diverse tasks, from deciphering complex code to generating stunning visuals. But as impressive as GPT-4 may be, it's merely a precursor to the main event, the unveiling of GPT-5. With whispers of unparalleled capabilities and game-changing features, GPT-5 promises to be the ultimate manifestation of OpenAI's ingenuity and innovation. Sam Altman is like the wizard behind the curtain, pulling the strings to make GPT-5 the coolest AI on the block. As the CEO of OpenAI, he's not just a boss. He's the captain of the GPT-5 ship, steering us towards a future where AI is as fun as it is functional. Altman's role isn't just about making big decisions. It's about bringing the hype and excitement to the table, getting everyone pumped up about the amazing things GPT-5 can do. GPT-5's vibe is all thanks to Altman's vision and leadership. So while he may not be writing the code himself, Altman's influence is felt in every pixel of GPT-5's digital DNA. As we eagerly await the arrival of GPT-5, anticipation mounts with every passing day. From tech enthusiasts to industry experts, the buzz surrounding OpenAI's latest creation is undeniable. With Sam Altman at the helm, GPT-5 is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with artificial intelligence. The future has never looked brighter. Like I said, anticipation is at an all-time high for what GPT-5 will bring to the table. From enhanced mathematical capabilities to a newfound confidence and assertiveness, GPT-5 is poised to push the boundaries of AI like never before. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Brace yourself for GPT-5's revolutionary updates that promise to surpass anything we've seen before. Number 1. Unleashed creativity. Have you ever felt stifled by message limits? With GPT-5's unlimited message length feature, those constraints are a thing of the past. Now, whether you're crafting a detailed research proposal or composing a heartfelt letter, GPT-5 ensures your thoughts are expressed with clarity and depth. Number 2. Sharper smarts. Sick of AI stumbling over simple math problems? GPT-5 comes to the rescue with its refined mathematical abilities. From balancing your budget to tackling intricate statistical analysis, GPT-5 handles numbers with the precision of a seasoned mathematician, freeing you to focus on more important tasks. Number 3. Confidence overload. Say farewell to timid AI responses and awkward apologies. GPT-5 exudes confidence and assurance in every interaction, delivering responses with the finesse of a seasoned conversationalist. Whether offering advice or cracking a joke, GPT-5's unwavering confidence ensures every exchange leaves you feeling informed and entertained. Number 4. Memory like a steel trap. Ever wished for an AI that remembers your preferences and quirks? GPT-5's enhanced memory ensures your interactions are stored and recalled with remarkable accuracy. From recalling your favorite movie quotes to customizing responses based on past conversations, GPT-5 provides a personalized experience that feels like chatting with an old friend. Number 5. Next-level features. There's more. GPT-5 isn't just another upgrade. It's a technological marvel. With features like audio and video inputs or outputs, voice recognition, emotion detection, and gesture control, GPT-5 offers an immersive and interactive experience like never before. Whether engaging in a virtual conversation or collaborating on a creative project, GPT-5 blurs the line between human and machine, ushering in a new era of AI innovation. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery with GPT-5 as your trusted companion and guide. Spell wow! But as we are wowed by these incredible updates, let's take a moment to think about what Sam Altman, the big boss at OpenAI, dreams up. You see, he's not just thinking about today, he's imagining tomorrow, where technology makes life better for everyone. While he's certainly making waves in the world of artificial intelligence, Altman's ambitions reach much further. He is on a mission to reshape the landscape of education. Through the innovative initiative known as the OpenAI Academy, Altman is spearheading a revolution in learning. By harnessing the remarkable capabilities of GPT-5, Altman envisions a future where education is not a one-size-fits-all approach, but rather a personalized journey tailored to the unique needs and interests of each individual learner. With the launch of the OpenAI Academy, Altman aims to democratize access to high-quality education, making it available to anyone with an internet connection.
What?
By leveraging the power of AI, Altman hopes to break down barriers and empower learners from all walks of life to reach their full potential. But Altman's aspirations don't end there. In addition to his endeavors in education, he's also deeply committed to ensuring that AI remains ethical and accountable. Recognizing the potential risks and challenges associated with AI technology, Altman is taking proactive steps to address issues such as biases, privacy concerns, and algorithmic transparency. By confronting these challenges head-on, Altman is laying the groundwork for a future where AI serves as a force for good, benefiting society as a whole. Altman's visionary pursuits aren't just limited to individual projects. They ripple across the entire AI landscape, influencing how we approach competition and safety in this rapidly evolving field, which also means embracing competition. Rather than viewing other players in the AI arena as adversaries, Altman sees them as comrades in arms, each pushing the boundaries of innovation to new heights. By fostering an environment where competition is welcomed with open arms, Altman believes that the entire AI community can benefit from the collective spirit of ingenuity and collaboration. After all, who said making AI awesome couldn't also be a little fun? Altman's not just about making AI cool, he's also making sure it's safe and sound. He's investing in research to make sure AI plays by the rules, like not being biased or snooping where it shouldn't. Altman wants AI to be like your favorite pet, fun, helpful, and always looking out for you. In conclusion, OpenAI stands at the forefront of AI development, driven by a commitment to innovation, safety, and ethical practices. From pushing the boundaries of what's possible with groundbreaking advancements like GPT-5 to ensuring that AI technologies are used responsibly and for the greater good, OpenAI's mission is clear: to shape a future where AI enriches lives and empowers individuals. Thanks for joining us on this exhilarating journey through the realm of AI innovation and possibilities. Remember, the future is bright, and with OpenAI leading the charge, we're in for an electrifying ride. Don't miss out on the next wave of AI advancements. Hit subscribe and ring the bell to stay ahead of the curve. Until next time.